Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to Accidental Adult. It is fantastic to see you here again, and today we are going to make some Lebanese chicken sandwiches. We're going to start by roughly chopping 1 carrot, 2 small celery stalks, and 1 large onion. Move your aromatics to the side and grab your chicken. For today's version, I'm using boneless and skinless chicken breasts, but you can use any part of the chicken you like. Pat dry and transfer to a large pot. Moving over to the stovetop, drizzle some olive oil over the chicken, then fry them over medium heat to get a bit of color, then add your aromatics and fry everything together for about a minute. For the spices, I'm adding a small cinnamon stick, some bay leaves, a few cardamom pods and cloves, and some black peppercorns and frying them for about a minute before drowning everything in water. Bring the water up to a boil, skimming off the scum that rises to the top, then let it gently simmer for about 15 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. During this time, you can enjoy the delicious aroma of the broth. I feel healed. 15 minutes later, the chicken should be ready. You can also pull it apart and the thickest part to check if it's done. That looks juicy and delicious. Then transfer the chicken to a plate, and you can drain the stock and use it to make soup, which is what I'm doing today, but you can also freeze it for another time. To shred the chicken, you can use your hands or 2 forks, whichever is easier for you. Now we're ready for the sandwich station. We have our chicken ready. I'm going to thinly slice some pickles, prepare some easy freezer fries, which are a great option if you don't feel like making some homemade fries. Needs salt. It's a lot of salt. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Separate some Lebanese pita bread, and of course we have the star of the show, homemade toum or Lebanese garlic sauce. This sauce is essential for this particular sandwich. If you'd like to learn how to make toum, check out the toum video in the description below. Delicious. We're gonna start with our toum. That's how you do it. We're gonna spread the toum on the bread, add in our chicken, top it off with some pickles and fries, and wrap it like a burrito. So excited. That's the ultimate sandwich. Do this, and we're gonna wrap it like a burrito. And now we seb it. Is it called a seb in English? We're gonna toast the sandwich in a panini press. Where I'm from, we call it a seb, for a few minutes or until the bread becomes crispy and crunchy. You can make the sandwich with any sauce. You can make it with just toum or toum and ketchup, which is my favorite, or with hummus, which is another go-to of mine. You can get creative and try different flavors and pick the one that you like most. This one's with ketchup. This is delicious. It's so simple. Fry. So easy to make, so straightforward. You don't need, all you need is some chicken and fries and toum. Toum is the secret to everything. This is what's gonna make it super ultra Lebanese. It's the toum and pickles. And you have a delicious lunch. So delicious. And soup. You have lunch and soup because you have broth. And you don't even have to boil the chicken. You can get a roasted chicken. It's gonna be easier. It's gonna have those charry flavors too. You can make it with anything. It's so simple and delicious. You have to try it. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching. And a special thank you to all the Patreons that support me and this channel. And I'll see you next time. نص
ما
بنص.
بدي انصحك كثير
طب فاين.
لانه اكلاتي كثير طيبين فيني اذا كل يوم هيك يعني
منيح لما كل يوم بطبخ يعني جايز. الأرض نظيفة. هيدي مع اكسترا توم. هيدي what we call باللبناني ملغومة توم. ليكوا شو شكل التوم طيب. بطاطا بطاطا بطاطا.